My name's Andre and I'm the founder of Hideawayz. Hideawayz designs and manufactures sheds, covers and screens to hide those unsightly things on your outdoors of your home, including gas bottles, wheelie bins and heat pump units. Today we're going to look at our Wheelie Bin Storage Shed. This is our Hideawayz Wheelie Bin Storage Shed. This particular shed is for 2 bins, and we do a 3 bin as well. I'll open the doors here. You can see that we've got 2 wheelie bins in here, and these are 140 litre, so if you had 80, 20, 140, this will fit in the shed. We also do a shed that can do the 240 litre in a 2 bin or a 3 bin. So you can see it's easy to take the bins in and out from here on collection day. I'll close up the doors. Normally this is the way you would be having the shed, and the way that you would be using it is just lifting the roof here. We've got a couple of locks that keeps the roof down or the lid down from rattling, and then it's very easy to just lift up with the gas struts, and you'll see that we also have a chain, the gas struts on each side, and the chain lifting the lids of the wheelie bins. So if I did have rubbish, it's quite easy in one hand to open the lid, let it ride up, and then just drop the rubbish in the wheelie bin without actually touching the wheelie bin itself. This is done, like I said, just through a chain and holding and lifting the lids up. And this can be obviously adjusted to how far you want it open. Once again, closing is very simple because it's all gas operated, and then simply lock the lid. Now, if you're concerned, or in your area in New Zealand wheelie bins often go missing or stolen, you can see here that we can put and provide a padlock here, or you can put a bicycle chain or something through here to lock the front doors. This model of wheelie bin storage shed is what we call our louver range. As you can see, the aluminium louver. It's all made from aluminium and galvanized steel on the top here for strength. And like I said before, this comes in a 2 bin, a 3 bin, 140 litre or 240 litre model. We also have an option with our sheds. If you don't have 2 wheelie bins, we do have the option to actually store recycle bins, and I'll show you how that works. You can see we've got an optional stand that we've built, and if you do have this set up at home where you've got a couple of recycle bins and you've got a wheelie bin, then this is the setup you would want, and you can have, like I said, the option of this freestanding shelf here that allows you to place the wheelie bins. And how we would use this is we would just swap these over. When one is full, we'd put the other one on the top, pop this one at the bottom, wait for rubbish day, and then as soon as you lift the lid, once again you can just drop the stuff straight into the wheelie bin. One other option we have is a back. Some people may place this against the wall of the house or against a wall, so therefore you need not necessarily have the back on the unit. You could technically have the shed directly against the wall, so you don't need the back. If you're standing it free like we have out, you could say in the garden, then in fact we have the option for the back. So overall you can see this is a very tidy solution to hide your wheelie bins and your recycle bins, along with protecting and securing them from theft and the weather. You don't have to go looking for the plastic bins, they'll always be here in the shed. If you have any other questions, please visit our website www.hideawayz.co.nz. Thank you.